Greetings, fellow gamers. Welcome back to Gadget World. Today, we're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming mouse. Packed with cutting-edge technology and designed for precision, this mouse aims to elevate your gaming experience. In this review, we'll explore its strengths, features, and any potential drawbacks. Let's jump into the action. Kicking off with design, the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED boasts a sleek and ergonomic form factor that fits comfortably in your hand. Its lightweight build ensures prolonged gaming sessions without fatigue, and the strategically placed buttons offer quick access to crucial commands. It's a marriage of style and practicality. The standout feature of the G305 LIGHTSPEED is, well, its light speed. With Logitech's advanced wireless technology, you'll experience a connection so seamless that it rivals wired mice. No more cable drag to hinder your movements, just pure, unrestricted gaming. Precision is key in gaming, and the G305 doesn't disappoint. Its high-performance Hero sensor provides accurate tracking with a DPI range that you can customize to suit your playstyle. Whether you're sniping enemies from a distance or engaging in close-quarters combat, this mouse keeps up with your every move. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The G305 LIGHTSPEED boasts impressive battery efficiency, giving you up to X hours of non-stop gaming action on a single AA battery. This means fewer interruptions and more uninterrupted gaming sessions. Each click counts in gaming, and the G305's mechanical switches deliver satisfying tactile feedback and responsiveness. Whether you're spamming spells or executing precise headshots, you'll feel confident that your commands are registering accurately. Planning a gaming session away from home? The G305 LIGHTSPEED's compact size makes it a breeze to pack and carry. Its wireless capability ensures you can game with minimal setup hassle, making it a great companion for LAN parties or gaming on the go. While the G305 excels in many areas, some gamers might miss the extensive customization options found in higher-end gaming mice. The mouse offers fewer programmable buttons and lighting effects compared to its premium counterparts. Despite the excellent battery life, some users might prefer a built-in rechargeable battery for added convenience. The need to swap out batteries periodically could be a minor inconvenience for some. In conclusion, the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming mouse proves that cutting the cord doesn't mean compromising performance. With its wireless speed, high-precision sensor, and ergonomic design, it's a valuable tool for gamers seeking precision and agility in their gameplay. While there are some limitations in customization and battery type, the G305 remains a solid choice for both casual and competitive gamers. If you found this review informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more comprehensive tech reviews and gaming content. Let us know in the comments if you've experienced the Logitech G305 or if you're considering it for your gaming setup. Until the next headshot, keep embracing the world of innovation and outplaying the competition.